Hi, welcome to Tommy's Hey. As you know, we're watching our favorite show, Uthando Nesimbu, and we saw ifamily yakamsele going to meet ifamily yakamakwela to see uMethuli, as Umsele said, to even explain igama likaMethuli to his family. Msele even said it was his first time going to Methuli's home because he has never gone to Cabo Samke because he was sick during the time when he had to go and see one thing about people who respect tradition, they know that they are not supposed to engage with their girlfriend's family unless they pay lobola. And it's no longer a girlfriend but a wife or a fiance. But unfortunately, thina like asi uthola ukuthi umama nkosikazi nama-boyfriend akho ayi-7 because we don't care, siyaziphilela kabuhlungu kanjani kamnandi kanjani. One thing that puzzled me is when Umseleku said ngihamba nabo sisi bami nabo bhuti bami bakaDuma. I don't understand how the Duma family and Umseleku, they are related, because angazi. So sad to see ukuthi Umseleku has even built a family that is quite distant from him, because I don't think the Duma family, they are that close with Umseleku. I don't know how that goes about, but the fact that we know ukuthi uSiska Mseleku, which is the only sibling I think he has, was not there because obviously there's been disputes and allegations of hey, those type of vibes, and it's so sad. And then there was a brother that was involved, so it's so no, because now he has to do everything everything that he does. And I just wish they could reconcile, because there's so many milestones that they are missing. Because as you know, for those who've watched season 1 and 2, we saw Umseleku had a sister, obehlala naye lapha eMzumbe, and then usisi got married, I think, to Isthembu too. So yeah, and you could even see when he was crying, this is no longer about the fact that Duma or the ceremony. It was more about the fact that I wish ngabe ngenza lento with my family by my side, but unfortunately he has to do things on his own. One thing that I've realized is that uMaqele is very supportive when it comes to uSamke, and you can see that it is genuine, it's not forced, it's not full of pretense. Like you can see ukuthi yazini uMaqele uyamthanda uSamke, uMaqele umkhonzile uSamke. You can even see, man, even when she entered, the vibes that she was giving with yazin, I'm happy to be here and he's solely and then and also she had to explain with I know I said I'm not gonna attend any ceremonies enza abafazi bakaMseleku after 20 years of marriage. But she explained this is not about ilobola, this is not about uSamke and Umseleku, but this is about the children. As you know njengoba kwisithembu abantwana bakaMayeni abafana nokuthi abantwana bakaMaqele, and it also applies to Mayeni, vice versa. You get the vibes. So obviously when it comes to abantwana, she's going to be there. But now I'm wondering if umntwana kaMangwabe, who has a ceremony, I wonder if uMaqele would be there. Can't wait to see that happen, because there hasn't been a ceremony yet that involves abantwana, so we will have to wait and see. And as for the Cele family, them being part of the ceremony, for me, I feel like it was a bit unnecessary because of the vibes they bring. Abantu bakaQele banenkulumo, abantu bakaQele bathanda, they like to be shady. So you could even sense from the moment they walked ukuthi it's about to go down in the DMs. The fact that Cabo Makwela, they welcomed Umseleku with a ship is very impressive, considering abantu abazi izinto zamasiko and stuff. I feel like it's their way of showing gratitude, of showing the importance that Umseleku has in their family. So as uMaqele was giving the Duma family amanzi or juice drinks, the other guy said, why are you not kneeling? Because uyazi ukuthi mawuza kithi kumele uguqe uzithobe ukubonisa ukuthi okay, inkosikazi who is serving amadoda wakaMseleku or wakaDuma. And uMaqele was like, no ways, kule train esikuyo, ain't no way I'm going to kneel. Kudala ngiguqa ngikhathela amadolo, manje kumele koguqa osambi uMangwabe noMakhumalo. Those are the ones that are supposed to be guqaring. Yena she has done a lot of guqaring, she has done a lot of ukuyithoba on a ring umsele and the vibes, but the shade is the fact that ubabiza ngetrain. Imagine isitimela, bathi njengesitimela shaya igiye kuye phambili. So yazini angeke singene kakhulu, but I just find it very shady, especially knowing that they don't like the Mzumbe train type of vibe. But unfortunately they have accepted it ukuthi yazini mangabe usibona siyitimela zikaseMzumbe yazini akube njalo-ke. Igama likaMethuli, the shade. Igama likaMethuli means lifter of burdens, uwethula imithwalo njengoNkulunkulu. You know what I mean? So uMseleku said, those been inkulumo zokuthi he uMseleku akasakwazi ukuzalisa. Kwafika uMethuli wabavala imilomo wathi yazini ngizokuthula lo mthwalo okusindayo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uyakhathazeka ukuthi yo I am 50 and I still wanna have kids, but unfortunately angikwazi ukuba nabantwana. And then uMethuli wafika wathi phapha ngilapha ngoku ndi apha, wathi jonga yazini sizothi uMethuli lona. Lo uMethuli, she is the lifter of all things. She's the lifter of all the battles that I've been going through, trying to make the other wives conceive. Baqine bathi hayi inkinga akusiyithi, inkinga uwe somdala kwamanje kanti next wathi ngifresh ngumqemane. The part that I understood, and I think a lot of people get it wrong, is the fact that uMseleku explained ukuthi njengoba ngingena mama, ngingena baba, ngingena yebo gogo nje kuyomele ngizikhulumele kubafazi bami. And what he meant by that is the fact that people think ukuthi oh he's harsh, he's that, but because anginayo umama ezalo uzofika athi yazini Makhumalo stop doing this, Mangwabe mayeni ozokwazi bakhuza abayale in the right direction. So I have to do it myself, because mangizothi Maqele batshele, it's going to be like oh Maqele in yabo. So because akunamuntu uFlow akekho, oh bandla idlozi lika Flow idlozi eliyophila enginaphakade, because that dlozi mawungalazi kushuthi awubuyi la eMzansi. uMseleku was like I have to speak for myself, and that was the emotional part, because now kumele akhulume abatshele ukuthi yazini bafazi angithandi u1, angithandi u2, angithandi no3. And then mesakhuluma it's like oh uMseleku yes abusing emotionally, uMseleku hey this hey that, but kumele ayenzeni mntana abantu ngoba meyakhuluma nani kahle athi bafazi bami yenzani ukuthi nokuthi anilaleli, kumele agcine sekafaka nje ama-harsh words ukuze nina nizolalela, because you don't listen, you don't want to listen. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm going to do a part 2 because angifuni ukuthi ibe yinde kakhulu ngize nginibhore.